Well, good morning. My name is Gary Seale, and I'm with the TrueCon Consulting Group, and I deliver the art and science of sales with excellence. Now, I just said that 10-word sentence, I think 9, in less than 5 seconds. Author, speaker, TED speaker, and marketing expert Sally Hogshead says that we should be able to leave a distinct first impression in 7 seconds. Now, 7 seconds, that's pretty short, right? Hopefully your clients and your prospects give you a little bit more time than 7 seconds. But in reality, we all know that we are sizing people up by their appearance, their conduct, when they stand up and give their elevator speech and things of that nature. We have an impression that you leave as to whether you're going to engage with that person in the future, like it or not. That's the way it works. What happens is that we know, even though you're experienced, you've chosen your field, you've come back into it, that sort of thing, there's a certain amount of repetition that goes within any job. And I read a number of years ago that if you have a job and you like it more than 60% of the time, keep that job, because there's always going to be some issues and concerns with a job. Because we know we're in the people business, right? So people are fantastic, they're colorful, they're inviting, they're exciting, they're also messy and inconsistent and ill-spirited and things of that nature. So we just know people are messy, right? You know, Joyce is smiling over there. She sees some people that she's put in the messy category. So there are things that we can do because of the repetition and the boredom and the excitement and the challenges. I would encourage you to do this thing. I would tell you one of the things where you can fight these issues is to set up a personal vision statement for yourself. So, like it or not, we all know we tend to be a little bit more self-focused than we'd like to admit. We're thinking about, what do I have to do after today's meeting? What are my current concerns? And how am I going to finish out the week, get in a week of vacation, make sure the kids have a good time, and everybody gets back to school here in 6 weeks? You know, all these things about me, me, me. Well, if you can orient that vision statement around things that are not only just simply about yourself, but also things that will serve other people incorporated in that, then that makes a big difference. Now, you can't just write it down one time and forget about it. You've got to put it down on a piece of paper and review it several times a day so that it really sticks in your mind. It also helps a great deal if there's some accountability. If you'll fess up to somebody other than your spouse that will hold you accountable on a professional basis and help you understand how are you making progress towards your goals, you're going to find that you get out of bed with a little bit more energy and enthusiasm, and you can think, I do have a vision for how I want to be as a professional 6 months from now, a year from now, that sort of thing. Now, in conjunction with that personal vision, I would encourage you to have a company vision. Even if you're your own entrepreneur or you're fixing to enter into something or you represent somebody, you have influence inside your company. So I would encourage you to have a vision for the company. What do you want your customers to experience when they walk away from the interaction with your company?